Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. So today I have another Jordan here. Apparently in certain places like the US, it didn't release on the sneakers app, or there was some thing about it not releasing on the sneakers app. So there was a hype created around it. Although I don't think it was as limited as Nike said that it was. But in any case, I usually don't like buying things in my own size because I'm then very tempted to keep it, and I think this will be the case with this shoe. So it's a Jordan 1. I'm sure you can tell already from the box what this is going to be. Oh, it's quite reflective, eh? I hope the shoe is not as reflective, or it will get scratched quite easily. So it's the Jordan 1 Retro High OG, the one with the like graffiti look all over it. Okay, so let's open this. Wow. What's happening here? There we go. So apparently this is supposed to resemble the advert. So when Michael Jordan started wearing these shoes on the court, he was supposed to be wearing white shoes that had black on it, but instead obviously he was wearing Jordans that were black and red, and so he received a $5,000 fine, which I'm thinking Nike probably paid for. But yeah, because of that, these were known as banned, and what they would say in the advert was they can't stop you from wearing them. And apparently if you look close enough on the shoe, you can see that. Look here, they can't stop you from wearing them. These shoes actually look really tiny now that they're in front of me, even though they are 5.5. Maybe I'm just so used to buying men's sizes. But yeah, I mean, I have to buy men's sizes because when I buy my own size, I don't want to let go of them. So there is one parchment paper that's regular, and then there's one with this band. You can see there's it there, taken from the 85 advert. This is actually very glossy, and on the shoe, yeah, it's the same high gloss, but it's only on the black part. It's not too bad. Oh, they only give you white laces. I was hoping you had a option with different colors. Black. Oh, there we go. There's your black laces inside, hidden inside the shoe. Oh, I should have noticed it here though. Completely flew over me. have to try these on, but they just look so small. So that's your front look. Obviously they will look better once they all laced up. I can't decide if I should go with the black laces or the white laces. That's a side view of the shoe. You know, the shoes actually came to me in 7 days, so that's pretty impressive. There's my cat doing his thing. Back view. Top view. Other side view. And again, front view. Just to go a bit more close up though. That looks like it's etched on there. I like this attention to detail where the X is not perfect. Trying to get the camera to focus on it. There we go. Can you see that? It's not perfect. There's a hole in that. Anything else? It's not as glossy as the box, which I actually really like, although it is glossy. Oh, it's also really soft. Look at that. And it has that in it. So let's pull that up a little bit. Let's see this. Oh wow. It feels like a comfort. The Zoom comforts. Here it is. That's wow. This is actually very premium. I would never have bought it for reseller price. Although I say that, and then now and then I do end up buying stuff for reseller prices, like my Yeezys, because I can never get them for retail. But yeah, I'm glad this wasn't a choice I had to make. Super comfy. Okay guys, that's it. Let me know what you think. The comments below. Is this something you would cop? Would you buy it for retail? Did you manage to get it for retail? I mean, would you buy it for reseller prices? Yeah. Look forward to your comments. Until next time.